Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2019 Dodge Challenger. Dodge made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Dodge prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including front and rear reading lights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and voice-activated navigation. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.